is brand new something really fun and cool. Do you want to impress people with your unique personal belonging? Do you want to surprise your family and friends with meaningful gifts just for them? I have performed various experiments on different materials and surfaces, and let's go and see the report. Great on paper, cardboard, wood, cloth, bags, and walls. Not that good on metal, glass, plastic, ceramic, and other smooth surfaces. What about skin? I want to DIY my own unique tattoos, but they have to be washable so my parents won't find out. Let's try it out. So this definitely requires techniques and practices, but it indeed works on skin. So I would say not for professional use, but I would definitely recommend this mini portable color printer to those who want to create their unique personal belongings, just like me. And for those who want to access instant color prints at any time, anywhere. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Amy and see you all next time. Bye bye!